Hello guys, welcome to another video of Azure DevOps. In this video, we are going to discuss about downloading the package which we publish in Artifact feed in Azure DevOps. Okay, in my previous video, we have seen how we can build the code. That is, we had taken an example of Python package and how we can publish that package to Azure Artifact. We have different ways to publish packages for different packages like Python, Java, npm NuGet. We have multiple options. Okay, so for now I have just published the Python package. I will do publish other packages as well in upcoming videos. Before that before that let's know how we can download this package which we have just published, because just publishing the package is not sufficient to create any pipeline, right? So we have to download that package as well and deploy that. So I am going to write a pipeline today, or explain you the pipeline which will just download this package, and after downloading you can do whatever you want with that package. Okay, so here is my package. This is Python package and audio test is my feed name. I'll be downloading this package. We already have one pipeline which I had created. Let me edit this pipeline and I will make changes in the same YAML pipeline. Okay, let me first discuss this in YAML, then we can discuss this in classic pipeline. Okay, so let's change the branch to main. This is the main branch, and we'll add some task to download the feed. If you click on show assistant and type the package here, you get few of the tasks. For this is for .NET Core. This task you can use to publish the .NET application. Apart from that, you get this task: download GitHub npm package, download GitHub and NuGet packages. Along with that, you get this download package task. This is the task which we are going to use to download the packages from the feed in YAML pipeline. Okay. You have another task as well to download or publish the universal packages, which you can just use this to download or publish the universal packages. That can be your zip file or some different file other than jar or uh, NuGet packages. Okay, so you can download or you can publish this task and you can run that particular command using this option. Okay, but since we need to download the package from Artifact feed for all the package management tools, okay, we will use this task, download package task. Here you will have to select the package type. What is your package type? Pab1, npm, NuGet, Python, Universal, or Cargo? Okay, so our package type is Python. Since we have created and published the Python package, so we will select the Python. If you have Maven package, you can select based on your requirement. I will select the Python. Once you have selected the package type, it will give you an option to select the feed. You can select the feed. These parameters, these things, properties, basically you can parameterize as well. Okay, and view, you will have to select the view of your package. If you click on your package and click on versions, you will be able to see the views here. So my view is local. I will select the local view. Okay, once you have selected all of this, you will have to select the package here. So this is my package, py-project-toml. Okay, this is the name, and this is my version 0.0.3. So you will have to select the version here as well. I have selected the version, I have selected the package and all. Now let me select the destination directory where you want to download this package. So let me download this in system.artifacts directory and create one folder. So let me select the add this new package folder. Okay, here in advanced you can specify the files like what are the files which you want to download. Okay, so for example, if you are downloading files for YAML, sorry, the Java or Maven packages, you can download just the jar files because you need just the jar file to deploy your application. Okay, like that you can specify here in the files. So I will just add star star so that it will download all the files from this feed. Okay, let me add this task. So the task is added. You can see the task is download package and first is the version. Package type is py. Okay, feed. I have provided the feed here. This is the view. This is the definition. This is the version and this is my download path. Once this has downloaded, let me add one script task to just print the content of this directory so that we will know that yes, this file has been or this package has been successfully downloaded. Let me go ahead and uncomment this and print something like this. Remove this, just print content of this directory. Before that you can print something like this, package list. Okay, and this will print the directory where it is downloading the packages. So this pipeline is complete. It will download the package and it will list it. After this, if you want to add some task to deploy this package to respective environment in Azure or somewhere else, you can add that task to deploy this package to any of the destinations like Azure or somewhere else or in maybe some virtual machines. Okay, you can use the files which is available in this directory. Let me save this pipeline and run it and see if this works or not. I have run it. So there might be another run which is already running. Let me cancel the first one and wait for this pipeline to complete. This has scheduled it. Until this is running, let me go to the release pipeline and see how we can do the same configuration in release. I have already explained this multiple times, but let me do that again. Suppose this is my pipeline, this is the release pipeline, and there are basically two different ways which you can use to download your artifact from the feed here in the release pipeline. One is you can add that in artifact section. So here you can add this like Azure artifact. Here you will have to select the feed because this is my feed. My package type is Python. You can either provide the view as local, whatever we have just given there in the YAML pipeline. I will just give everything here, and this is my package. Default version is, let it be latest. So this will always download the latest artifact. One way is like this: we have added this artifact, our feed details here in the artifact section, so that whenever one stage is running, this will download this artifact first. And there is another method to simply just add one task here. So let me disable this task and type the package here, just the same task which we just have added here, this download package. So this will again download the same package, or we'll have to do the same configuration which we just have done in this pipeline. Okay, like you will have to select the feed, view and other details, because this is the same task which we are using. Okay, we have selected the package type as NuGet, that's why there is no packages found. Let me select the Python and select the version. You can change the directory. So our task has been added. Along with this, we have also added this artifact in our artifact section. Okay, let me simply just save this pipeline and create a release. So this release has been created. Let me go back to the previous release, previous YAML pipeline which we had seen. So if you click on download package task, you can see this task has been successfully completed, and this also has downloaded the package. Okay, if you click on this task, I didn't change the name, that's why display name is coming as upload to feed, but this has listed the package list. If you see, I had printed the directory where we are downloading the package, and you can see the package name is downloaded here. If you go to this version and check the file name here which should be downloading, the same package is being downloaded in the agent machine. This is the same package. Okay, now after this, once this is downloaded, you can use this package to deploy this in your environment. So this is how we do it in YAML pipeline. Okay, now let's see this in release pipeline. If you notice this pipeline logs carefully, download artifact by project.toml, that this is already completed, and this also has downloaded the artifact, and we also had added this package, download package task, and this also has downloaded the same feed. Okay, so these are two ways to download your package in a classic release pipeline. Okay, so if you have already added the artifacts, your artifact here in this section, you don't need to just again add this download package again, because this download artifact task, or this the artifact which we have added here, it will automatically download the artifact by default. So even if you don't add this task, your artifact will be downloaded automatically. So these are two different ways which you can use to download the artifact from your artifact feed in classic pipeline, and you can use the method download package task which we just used here in the YAML pipeline to download your packages from the feed. Okay, so that's it from this video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe my channel. If you have any feedback or suggestions, please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.